You may know you're a renter, but nobody else needs to. Today, we're talking about common decorating mistakes made by renters. The most common mistake is ignoring your window treatments, aka your curtains. For some reason, tenants feel like they can't hang a curtain rod, even though it's the same amount of effort to hang a photo. Plus, it's super easy to patch. Also, your landlord would appreciate the upgrade and future tenants might like the hardware. Another common mistake is living with whitewashed walls. While most tenants are given firm instructions not to paint, you can always apply removable wallpaper to give yourself a chic and affordable upgrade to your place. I personally have 3 in mind. 1, 2, 3. Another common occurrence is cheaping out on your shower curtain. It's worth spending the money on a beautiful fabric curtain, and it's far better than its toxic PVC-related equivalent. Another rookie mistake is using over-the-door hangers. Few things torpedo a room's aesthetic faster than a storage solution that says making the best of student housing. If storage is a must, use some adhesive hooks. The last item is having stuff for stuff's sake. You don't want to cover your walls in generic artwork so it looks like you live in a Panera. Resist the urge to fill your spaces with items that are not meaningful to you. This applies to your furniture as well. Pro tip! You always want to have a hand towel for your guests, and if you don't have a towel rack, just drape a towel over the edge of your sink. Decorate like you live in a place that actually gives you equity. This has been Getting Housed with Paul. Cheers.